Hello, friends, and happy Friday. Welcome to Preschool with Miss Mazingo. Let's go ahead and get started. And we are going to look at the calendar. Today is the 8th day of May. Tomorrow is the 9th day. And then Sunday is the 10th. So close to Lucas's birthday. Let's sing our Days of the Week song. Are you ready? Sing it together. Here we go. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Let's sing it. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Clap those hands.
Days of the week.
Clap them.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the
Get
week.
ready. It's your turn to sing.
There's Sunday and
There's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Days of the week. Days of the week.
Days of the week. All right. And today is Friday, May 8th, 2020. Now, taking a look at our pattern, it goes pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue. If you said blue, you are right. What's going to be for our Saturday? Pink. And how about Sunday? Blue. Excellent. And here's Lucas's birthday. So close. All right. We predicted sunny weather for today, and it's looking a little not so sunny right now out there. I have a lot of clouds outside. How about you? Do you have a lot of clouds outside? So let's go ahead and get rid of our sun and put some clouds up there. I'm pretty sure it's going to rain. It looks pretty rainy. There we go. But what kind of weather do you think we're going to have for Saturday? What kind of weather? Sunny. Sunny with clouds, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy. All right, I heard cloudy again. Go ahead and put that in our prediction square. Let's say our alphabet together. Are you ready? Let's stand up and say the alphabet. Are you ready to stand up? All right, let's give a big stretch. Oh, stretch it out. Very nice. Now we're going to touch our head, our shoulders, and our toes as we say it. We've done this before. Are you ready? Here we go. Touch your head for A. B is shoulders. C is toes. Now a D. Back up to your head. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Perfect. All right, we're going to count to 15. Are you ready to count to 15? All right, here we go. We're standing up, so let's get some of those wiggles out. Counting to 15. Last time we kept our feet together and jumped. And then the last bit, we hopped on one foot. Let's try doing 1 foot. Oh, the whole way through. You think you can do it? Well, let's give it a try. Up, balancing on 1 foot. Let's count and hop at the same time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Whew! Good hopping. All right, let's have a seat. And let's count backwards from 10. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Excellent job, friends. Now let's find a shape. I'm looking for a circle. Can you find the circle? Where is it? Here it is. What color is that circle? It is red. What shape is above the circle? What shape is it? It's above the circle. It's an oval. An oval is what color? Green. All right. Let's get on going. Let's take a look at some colors. Where's Mrs. Mozingo's favorite? Where's the chocolate? What color is that chocolate? Brown. How about finding red? There's red. Who is that? It is anger. That's right. Is it okay to get angry? Yes. Is it okay to hit when we're angry? No. All right. This old man. How about if we watch the video today? Are you ready to watch that video? Okay.
This club. This old man.
This old man came rolling home. I like your beard, Jack.
Why, thank you.
Let's count to 10 with this old man. He'll give his dog a bone, and we'll all go rolling home.
One. This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Two. This old man, he played two. He played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Three. This old man, he played three. He played knick-knack on my knee with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Four. This old man, he played four. He played knick-knack on my door with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Five. This old man, he played five. He played knick-knack on my hive with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Six. This old man, he played six. He played knick-knack on my sticks with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Seven. This old man, he played seven. He played knick-knack up in heaven with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Eight. This old man, he played eight. He played knick-knack on my gate with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Nine. This old man, he played nine. He played knick-knack on my spine with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. 10. This old man, he played 10. He played knick-knack once again with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
All right, friends. So that's the end of that. Now let's go ahead. All right, we've been working really hard on our letters. Here's the letter L, F, E, H, T, I, U, magic C, and we need 2 magic C's to make the letter O. And what does O say? Let me hear ya. Ostrich, octagon, and octopus all start with the letter O. Let's sing about where we start those letters. Let's stand up and get moving.
Where do you start your letters at the top?
Where?
Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top.
Here we go. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. At the top. Where do you start your letters? There you go. At the top. If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Here we go, going down to the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle. It's top, top, top. Here we go. Ah. 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 Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Reach down. Way down. This is the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, top. Shake it. Top. Shake it. Shake it. Do you start your letters at the top? Do you start your letters at the top? You want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. Here we go. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. Yes, it's the top, top, top. Awesome. All right, we are making the letter O today. So we're going to grab one magic C, put it right here under Mr. Matt's smiling face, a little off the mat. We're going to grab our other magic C and we're going to put it together. And what letter did we make? O. Let's sing it together. Are you ready? Fingers at the top. And we say, make the letter O, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Keep on going, please don't stop. It's the letter O when you get to the top. That's right, the letter O. Next week, we're going to start a new letter with Mrs. Hill, and it's going to still use the magic C. I hope you have a great weekend, and I look forward to hearing about all of your wonderful things you've been doing at our next Zoom meeting. Bye, everyone.